Today's video is sponsored by Mslynn, and in the package I received these goodies that I'm showing you right now. The wig that I received and the description of it is a 26-inch body wave natural black, but I will say curly edges, 13x4 frontal wig. With a density of 180 and the lace is transparent, very soft and undetectable. And I'm going to elaborate more on the edges. It's not so much of a 4C texture, like it doesn't give you that kinky texture. So it's more of a 4A, 4B hair texture, you feel me? And inside you have wig combs and adjustable straps. So for this video, I will be working with the center part, and I did went ahead and bleach the knots, and right now I'm giving it a quick run through by pressing it out. And this is all the hair is flowing after pressing it out. And guess what? I'm gonna go ahead and cut the ends because I don't want that struggle ends. No, we're not working with that. So snip snip. And this is more like it. And right here, I'll be using the deep waver iron, and I'm also going to use the Got2b hairspray, and I will be spraying it on top and bottom because I need the crimps to be holding. So I will be starting from the roots and work my way to the ends. So just sit back and watch the process, and I will be chipping in every now and then if I have something to say. Oh, and you may be wondering, why is it that I keep on rotating my arms? Didn't want my elbow to be blocking the camera. And these are the crimps, looking crimpable, yes, like hello body wave, yes. And right about now it's time to install. So the typical, you have to fit the wig on your head to see what you're working with. I don't know what to say, but this is not it. You know, the hairline shape is way off, and this is gonna be an extra work for me because I was trying to work with it, but it was way too much on my forehead, and girl ain't having that, so I have to redo the installment. Using the hair mousse to soften the hairspray. And now you're seeing curly edges, not kinky edges, so you get what I was saying. This is not kinky texture.
Trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't late today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you think I left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Long say, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your
What I like to do when I curl the hair on a mannequin head is that I will leave the front area for when I fit it on my actual head, so I can get a better view of what I'm really doing, because sometimes the part can mess up and things like that. So yeah.
Tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Long stay on the name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here?
And I am done. Yes, this is a completed look, and I can say that she is body waving, crimping. Okay, so for the back, I did it like a couple days before installing. Like I think it was like 4 days because I was busy. So the back curls is all and the front is fresh, and you couldn't tell, you know, because girl well spritz it up. But yes, and I love the texture of the hair, and also the lace is super soft, and that automatically give you that perfect meltdown. But anyway guys, if you're interested in this wig, I will link all the information down below, and I will also provide a discount code that you can use to save yourself some cha-ching-ching. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. Anyway, later, and I will catch you on the next one. Yeah.